How to use If PC Home Insurance Sweden properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. If PC Home Insurance is one of Sweden's most trusted providers, but many homeowners make mistakes that cost them money or leave them underinsured. The surprising truth is that having a policy isn't enough. You need to know how to use it correctly. One common mistake is underestimating coverage. Rising construction costs and home renovations mean your policy may not cover the full cost of rebuilding your home or replacing your belongings. Regularly review your sums insured and adjust them for any home improvements or newly purchased valuable items. Neglecting liability protection is another frequent error. If PC policies include personal liability, reducing coverage limits to save money can leave you exposed if someone is injured on your property or if you accidentally damage a neighbor's home. Failing to update your policy is another trap. Moving, renovating, or acquiring new possessions changes your coverage needs. Not notifying If PC may result in delayed or denied claims. Many homeowners also overlook available discounts. If PC offers savings for bundling policies, installing approved security systems, and maintaining a claims-free record. Ignoring these can cost hundreds of kronor annually. Finally, misunderstanding the claims process can slow or reduce your payout. Document damages carefully, report incidents promptly, and communicate clearly with your claims advisor. Being proactive ensures faster settlements and smoother processing. By avoiding these mistakes, you can make the most of If PC Home Insurance Sweden. Ensure coverage reflects your home's true value, maintain sufficient liability protection, update your policy regularly, take advantage of discounts, and understand the claims process. This ensures your insurance works effectively, giving you peace of mind and real protection for your home.